The moment you lay your eyes on your children for the first time, a world of unimaginable joys begins. Teaching them to ride a bike, hugs for no reason, reading bedtime stories, and getting them their first haircut.
What you don't see are the disagreements about friendships, awkward conversations on relationships, and the moment you realize you're no longer the most influential voice in their life. So, what do?
We have a parenting workshop just for you. On Saturday, September 28th, you will learn about strategies for technology and its usage, successful single parenting, how to raise godly children, and much more.
You weren't meant to do this alone. Register at woffamily.org/parent and meet us there.